There are several key steps to making the best hamburger. Select high-quality beef. The best burgers are made with fresh, high-quality beef. Choose meat with a high fat-to-lean ratio, such as 80% lean and 20% fat. Season the meat. Season the ground beef with salt and pepper and mix well. You can also add other seasonings to your liking. Form the patties. Divide the ground beef into equal parts and shape into patties. Make sure not to overwork the meat, as this can result in tough patties. Heat a grill or a skillet over medium-high heat to cook the patties. Cook for 3 to 4 minutes per side, or until the patties reach the desired level of doneness. Choose the appropriate bun. A good burger bun should be strong enough to hold the patty and toppings without crumbling. To add texture and flavor, lightly toast the bun. Toppings. Your choice of toppings can make or break a burger. Lettuce, tomato, onion, and cheese are traditional toppings. Experiment with bacon, avocado, or even a fried egg. Once you've gathered all of your ingredients, assemble the burger by placing the patty on the bottom bun, followed by the toppings, and finally the top bun. Serve right away. You can make a delicious and satisfying burger that will impress your family and friends by following these steps.